One of the key challenges in upgrading the subway signaling system is the limited time available to perform work on the tracks. Due to the 24/7 operation nature of the New York City subway system, track work is typically performed only on late nights and weekends. To address this problem, one of the MTA Genius Challenge winning ideas, proposed by Bechtel Corporation, recommended the utilization of robots to rapidly deploy new signaling equipment. Similar systems have been used in other transit projects in Europe. Inspired by this idea, MTA Intelligent Transportation contracted Robotic, a local robotics and automation company, to develop a prototype to determine the feasibility of using robots inside the subway tunnels. During the initial proof of concept phase, Robotic designed and manufactured a robotic system capable of installing ultra-wideband sensors on the tunnel walls. The system was mainly composed of an industrial 6-axis robot mounted on top of a linear track and a tool track that housed all the robot tools. The entire equipment was mounted on top of a standard flat maintenance car. The system was operated via a simple-to-use touchscreen interface. Using a 3D scanning tool, the robot could take measurements of the wall and find any potential obstructions at the installation location. An automated tool changer allowed the robot to quickly change tools for each task. Once the installation location was selected, the robot would start the automated drilling process. The robot was capable of drilling multiple holes simultaneously. A force torque sensor allowed the robot to monitor the process in real time. The robot would then pick up the bracket and place it at the installation location. Once in place, the robot inserted concrete wedge anchors using pneumatic hammers and tightened the nuts to a predetermined torque. During the final step, the robot would secure the ultra-wideband sensor into the wall bracket. The successful demonstration at Grand Central Station in March of 2019 proved the feasibility of safely using robots inside the subway tunnels. Soon after the demo, Robotic partnered with Bechtel Corporation, Hilti, and Snaketrade to mature the development of the robotic system. The main focus of the new pilot robot will be the installation of cabling and snake tray rack, given that hundreds of miles of rack will need to be installed for a signaling upgrade. The first main objective of the pilot robot will be to improve worker safety by eliminating the risk of silica dust exposure during the drilling process, as well as improvement of worker ergonomics. The second main objective will be to dramatically accelerate the installation deployment by automating the measuring, drilling, and anchoring processes. The pilot robot rig will drill and install anchors for wayside equipment 5 to 10 times faster than traditional methods. The new rig will consist of 2 robots, each equipped with multiple drilling tools, as well as an array of laser and navigation sensors to perform automated measuring and layout of the signaling and cable management equipment. The robotic rig will be installed on an MTA-approved flat maintenance car to quickly transport the rig into and out of the installation work area, effectively creating a factory on train wheels. For more information about our robotic installation tool, please contact us at reliabotics.com.